It's a 2011 Honda Pilot. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this the perfect crossover SUV for the entire family. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: AM/FM satellite radio, 4 12-volt power outlets, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, power windows, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver points out the Pilot might not be fun to drive in the thrilling sense, but knowing that you made a rational, intelligent choice is fun in its own right. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
We're confident we have the right used car, truck, or SUV for you. Stop in and see us today at 2008 US Highway 19 in Holiday, Florida.